Shaki, where you can find the carabao?
At the grass.
Oh! Where you can find the carabao?
At the grass.
At the grass.
The sun.
At the sun? No, where you can find it?
Because when there's grass over here and then there's a sun at the top and then with bulod by in it and the carabaos there.
No, okay, that's correct. But where you can find it, like where they live.
Where they live?
Oh.
I said what I just said.
Where?
On the init and then there's grass.
That is where you find the carabao, under the sun, with grasses. But usually you can find it in the farm.
Oh yeah, farm.
What farm?
Farm.
Farm. Yeah, you can find it in the farm usually. The carabaos are in the farm. They are helping the... Which one they are helping?
Master.
Who's the master? They're helping. They are used they are used in the...
The farmer.
Okay, very good. Farmer. Yes, they are helping the farmer. Good job.